Hello, thank you for choosing this video. I really appreciate it. Now let's get to the meaning of this video. So a week ago we had about 9 inches of snow, and today, a week later, we got nothing. We just got a little bit, and Sunday we had like 2 more inches of snow on top of that, and now it's kind of rainy, foggy, so warm I'm in t-shirt. That's Wisconsin for you. You know, we can have snow one day and warm weather the next day. So, yep. And then our 14-year-old pug, he's out doing his duty. So, yeah, he's trying to find a spot there. Yeah, I can't believe, like, the snow is all gone. Pretty much on the railings and then on the trails. They had the, speaking of trails, they had the snowmobile trails open, and now they're closed because it's just, you know, you can see it's foggy, dreary, and warm. Today is a new day, another nice day before the cold air sets in. Talking in the teens for a good maybe 3 weeks, with lows in the single digits. We've been spoiled. So today I'm going to install some wiper blades. The last time I was we were driving in the snow, and they just kind of weren't going so well, so now it's the time to get them off. So we'll see here. It's like a little lever. They look like they just like that. Like I said, easy peasy, right? So what do we got here now? This here is supposed to fit. Press. Well, guess what? These don't fit. I checked online. They said these would fit. I checked when I went to Walmart. Looked up the vehicle. Yep, these would fit. No, they do not. Again, same thing with my wife's car. You look at them. They say they're going to fit. When you come to put them on, they're not. So now you got to go to an auto parts store that specializes in what, you know, this goes for. This is just generic, you know. These this is a lot thinner than that over here, so luckily I didn't throw nothing away or break anything. So I gotta go to Walmart, take these back, and probably go to an auto parts store and see what they have to offer. Just sucks that, you know, with all the technology, you would think they would be able to say that this would fit the vehicle. So, all right, well, that's enough ranting for today. I'll have to go get the new ones, and I'll put them on and show you what they look like. Okay, so we're back trying to replace my wiper blades. Went to the auto parts store and got these. Not sponsored. Bosch Icon, or whatever you want to call it. Easy installation. Wow, I feel so much better now. All right, I gotta bring this back, but I gotta bring you back too, because there's the wiper blade. All right, so let's open it up Take the sleeve out. I don't think there's any real easy, oh, here in the back. You can rip this open in the back. Easy. Remember that, easy. Okay, got it out of the package. Looks somewhat comparable. I just don't want to herky jerk this stuff around. So, let's put the new one on. Says it's supposed to fit. Okay, operator error. I was putting them on backwards, so they do fit. All right. Hey, I'm not perfect. I wasn't saying I was, but I was trying to put them on backwards. So I got that one on. Let's do the other one. I'm gonna throw the wrapping away. I'm gonna keep the old wiper blades just in case. So let's go to this one here. Like I said, I'm not perfect. Never said I was. We all make mistakes. Good thing I didn't throw anything. All right. Doesn't help either that it's 20 degrees and my fingers feel like they're gonna fall apart. Okay, so to take this one off, I have to push this lever down. Pull that out. Okay, now you go in like this. Underneath, snap it, snap it. All right, easy installation. That's what the box said, easy installation. All right. Gonna try it out now, see how they look. They work awesome. $60 for those. Crazy. What happened to under $10 wiper blades? Well, right. Yeah. I'm a happy camper now. Hey, today's another day. Haven't filmed in a while. Just been really busy. Today I'm off, tomorrow I gotta work. So we got a light dusting of snow, but I wanted to use the blower that I use in the summertime. I can't get that thing started, it's probably too cold. So gotta go old school electric. think I might have to break down and get a battery operated one. Those work so much better and they're not corded. So I'm gonna finish this up, blow off the finny, and do some other things. Got the driveway all cleared out right to the road for the next little snow that we're supposed to get in a few days. Finny's all blown off. The reason why I have this is many years ago I saw a tip, home improvement tip, where I had to replace some drywall in the bathroom, and if I was going to take the drywall down, I was going to lose insulation. So I went up and bought that, went up in the attic and blew that insulation off where I was taking the drywall, which made a lot of sense. It made it a lot easier. You know, I didn't put it up very high, just enough to blow it away from that open area. So that's why I still have that. I mean, it works. It's also got a suction bag on there too, but I think I'm gonna have to go buy one of those battery operated ones. Those things are so slick. I see everybody has them, different brands, you know, to whatever favorite one you want. That's your prerogative. So, but yeah, you know, a couple extension cords, big deal. Got the job done. That's all that counts.